Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline or threads weekly on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we'll search about threads and we click in this app. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. As you see, we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.